All right, so first step when you're pulling transmission or doing anything, where there's electrical, which we had to pull a starter for this to pull the transmission. So when you're doing any of that, you want to disconnect the battery. So we'll start there. All right, battery's disconnected, so let's go in the air with it. Show you under the truck. Again, she's a little dirty. We had a little issue with the catch can not venting like it should, so it blew oil everywhere. I haven't cleaned that up yet, but again, I drive these things. I don't keep them from the next guy, so I use my stuff when I build them. So on this channel, you're gonna see quite a few different builds, projects, and you'll see us out playing with them. So. My wife Stephanie decided to come out and join me in the shop. This is Stephanie.
Hi!
She'll be in and out of the videos as we go on this adventure. So yeah, that's her. We do almost everything together. We actually run the shop together here. This channel is going to be more based on my projects and stuff we do to have fun. But yeah, there'll be some shop stuff in it as well. Alrighty, so we got the transfer case out. Now we're gonna move on to the transmission. Show what you got going on under here. So that tranny is draining. Got the turbo wastegate pipe off. Transfer case sitting there, and yeah, we'll just keep plugging along. We'll go move on to bell housing bolts, torque or bolts here in a second. We are having a heck of a storm right now. Holy cow. Goodness. Nothing like spring in North Idaho. All right, just like that, tranny's out. ready to go to the builder. I got to drain the core, get everything all fluid out of there so it doesn't make a mess at the builder. We'll probably end up having him go through this because all the parts in it should still be pretty good. I think I just blew the front pump gears out of it. So we'll probably end up having him fix that. We'll put this in my wife's Tahoe because it's still it's a built tranny. And then he's already got the 4L80E right now. He's working on it. And we'll get some modifications done to the truck. I got to change I got to put a spacer in the flex plate, put a new flex plate in it. Run a couple wires that are for the 4L80 that 4L60 doesn't have. And I got to tear the transfer case apart I just rebuilt and put a 32 spline input in it, so it'll mate up to the 4L80. So for now, we'll push this one out. We got tons of different projects going, so there'll be projects in and out of the shop. Next one we're going to pull in, I got a 87 Wrangler. I got to put a slip yoke eliminator in. It's just our toy we go out and play in the woods with. So I'll get that in next, and we'll start tearing on that one while we're waiting on parts for this. Hope you guys enjoy the channel. It's gonna be, like I said, just a hodgepodge, a bunch of different stuff. There'll be a lot of car stuff, outdoor camping, wheeling, riding. We do all kinds of stuff. So just want to take you guys along for the ride, and hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye.